Hi guys. So I am making a big shift in my life, which is I'm moving from India to Canada, and right now I am in the shift. I am at the Abu Dhabi airport, and I'm waiting for my flight. I mean, the next flight. Checking and everything is done, but it's pretty easy actually. I was very anxious. I'm not Al Mohammed. So, yeah, I mean, a lot of people have this anxiety and nausea and nervousness about leaving and going from one place to another. But actually, I'll tell you what, I was not anxious and not nervous at all. Like, before some time when I reached the airport. But the moment I had a lot of things to take care of, like I had so much of luggage and I had so much of jackets outside in the stall and a lot of things, it really pissed me off and it really made me feel anxious that how will I take care of all these things and plus my important documents. It's not a it's not an easy thing to go out alone and take care of all these things all by yourself. That is when I started feeling anxious and I started feeling very nervous. So I think whenever you travel, you should really be light. It doesn't matter if you're going for the first time or you're moving to another place. At least make sure that you are light in your hands. And of course, moving away from family was difficult, but I was not nervous about that because see, I am taking it very practically that I have to anyway move and start life of my own and be on my own, right? So I was very positive that way, and yeah, so that really it made me anxious, and I uh, felt really nervous that I'm going for a moment because of all these chaos. But then I had slept a little, like from Abu Dhabi, Ahmedabad to Abu Dhabi, I slept a little, and then from Abu Dhabi to Canada, it's a very long journey. So I hope I'll get a good amount of sleep, and I'll also watch something and stuff like that. So yeah, to all those travelers and to all those people who are moving from one country to another country or one city to another city or state, whatever it is, please don't feel anxious. Take it very positively that you're moving forward, you're not going backward, and you are progressing in life. That is exactly what we require every now and then. So it's a very positive shift from the side of universe. So please take it very positively and try to affirm the people around you, your parents, your family, and your loved ones and everybody, that you're okay and this shift is going to be completely okay and that it's not going to be difficult. And this is not going to be a difficult shift. So if you affirm them, they will feel better. Like I told my parents that please be very positive about this shift. I'm going there to make my own life. Of course, I know you guys will miss me and everything, but it's a very positive thing. So they have understood it finally, and of course, for a few days they will feel that she's not in the home and blah blah blah. But I think eventually they will recover sooner because I have given them immense amount of mental support and mental affirmation and everything, that I will be fine, so you should be fine too. So that is what is very important. So whenever you guys are shifting, try to be mentally strong and try to take every movement and every transition very slowly and positively. Don't be in a hurry to finish things off, and always be grateful for anything that happens in your life. And trust me, shifts are really good. So always, it may look like it's a negative shift. Like I could have thought that, oh, I'm going away from my parents, my home city, and my nesting, and my so many friends are there, and I know the entire place. And now what will I do? And I'm going to a new country, and I will be alone, and no one will be there to help me out. Of course, I have family there, but like your primary family. So they won't be there to just regular routine. You won't be able to see them, meet them, greet them, but come on, I mean, it's a part and parcel of life. So try to look at positive side of things, and that's it. Bye guys.